First, open up Safari or Google Chrome and search Blooket.com. When you get to the home page, you'll see the option to sign up or log in. I'm going to choose logged in since I already have an account. Just select the account you have linked with Blooket, whether it's Google or email. If you're new, just sign up. It's fast and easy. Now that you're logged in, let's explore the cool features. In Blooket, the word blooks means little characters or avatars that players use in the game. They come in different styles. Some are animals, food items, or fantasy characters. The more you play, the more books you can unlock and collect. These books make your learning experience more personalized and exciting. To get more books, go to the market. Here, you can spend tokens you earned from playing games to unlock new books. Think of it like a mini shop filled with surprise boxes. It's a fun reward system that keeps you motivated to learn and play more. Next, let's head over to Discover tab. Here, you can search for games related to your topic or subject, whether it's English, math, science, or any other subject. You'll find tons of game sets made by other teachers and students. You can play solo as a student, host a live game, or assign homework if you are a teacher. To host a game, first choose a set and select Live Game Mode. Then choose your favorite game mode. There are several fun options like Gold Cast, Tower Defense, Factory, and even more. Set your time limit and game settings like random names or late join access. Once everything's ready, share the game code with your players and start the fun. If you are a teacher, you can also assign it as homework with a deadline, so students can play anytime. Want to make your own quiz? Go to the Create a Set button. Give your set a title, add description, choose your cover image, start adding your questions and answers. You can create multiple choice or true or false questions, perfect for customizing your lessons. If you find any awesome game stats that you like while exploring Discover, you can click the heart icon to save them to your favorites. One of Blooket's best features is Assign Homework. Check out the Blooket news sections on the homepage. Here, you'll find updates about new game modes, seasonal events, challenges, and exciting announcements. It keeps you in a loop and adds even more excitement to the learning experience. And that's how you use Blooket to make learning fun and effective. Whether you're a teacher looking to spice up your lessons or a student who wants to enjoy learning through games, Blooket has something for everyone. Give it a try and level up your learning with games.